now, pupunta tayo ng Cebu to witness and attend sa ating 12-year anniversary ng Online Business Academy. So, kasama ko yung mga kapwa kong Bohol Hubbers. Kaya, see you! Pakilala, ang taga saan?
Hi, I'm Rojomar Beltran from CDO,
Ayan.
Bagong Hubbers.
And hi, I'm Kent Gabukan from Sikihor.
Hi, I'm Mark Angelo Quaha from Baclayon, Bohol.
Smile.
Sali.
Ready na!
Out in the six, I'm a national treasure. That bad me gon' bad me forever. R.B. Kobe, but y'all brokey. That's probably why y'all be shacking together. Capo and Leader got habits together like couples vacation. They packing together like rushing to finish. They'll slap it together. The charges like COVID, they'll catch it together. They hate when someone
Kay Laila, pangalan, taga-asa.
Hi everyone, by the way, my name is Marvin Malanog and all the way from Mindanao. And right now,
Background.
and by the way, I'm former empleyado. I've been working for almost 2 years pero dahil dito sa OBA, no, natulungan tayo. And yun nga, marami na rin tayong natulungan dito sa OBA. Kaya ikaw na yung next.
Ito yung magandahan no, sa pag nasa OBA ka na, nag-enjoy ka na, kumikita ka pa. Dapat next time kasama ka na.
Hi everyone! So good morning sa ating lahat. No? So I am Jo Marie, all the way from Bohol, no? From Lobok, and right now pumunta po tayo dito sa OBA ng 500,000 kaya dapat ka na naman yung next.
They must have heard wrong on the call. I sent him a sack cause I wanted you shipped to the king. When you was a part of the team, we used to be planning our Mexico trip in the spring. We must have been dealing in spur of the moment. Why did we think you could get us a ring? They bragging about how you went home, the that ain't on. Cody, we threw him away. G-Pop sent us a real one from Dago, and next thing we knew we was doing parades. All you pussy man who could relate.
Hi guys, right now we're here in Tubigon. And we are ready na sasakay natin dito. Let's go!
Isa,
Feeling mo karon.
excited na kasi first time ko tong makapunta sa Bohol. Sa Cebu pala.
Pa natin yan, si Sir Mark.
Hello, guys.
Actually yung mga kasama natin mga first timer. Sobrang dami, kaya excited kami na mag-attend ng aming 12 grand reunion.
Yo, Manish on the beach, shebang. All of my ops say dead. Why do they gas me up? Where does it go? My head. How much I got? A lot. Don't leave again, I won't. Thinking and trying me do like Bryson, pussy ass nigga and don't.
Guys, touchdown Cebu! And so, tune in po sa video natin and see you sa live natin. Hi guys, right now papunta tayo ng office natin and syempre kasama natin yan si Sir Mark, yan si Rojomar and
Hello.
Kent. Ayan, so nag-book na kami ng bagong app dito sa Cebu and kita-kits sa event natin mismo. And we're so excited na makasama kayo next time sa mga onliners natin dyan. Diba? Dapat kasama na kayo sa event natin. Tama ba?
Yeah!
Yan, diba? Hi guys, nandito na ulit tayo sa Cebu. Okay. Kapakog.
Kasama namin sila Anthony Pamanaw.
Kinsa man na? Asa man sila? Morning. Ay, naro di gabon mo dire. Hi guys, right now nandito tayo sa Cebu kasi mag-attend tayo ng ating 12 grand reunion ng OBA and right now check natin yung 1 day income din natin. Kala. Ayan, so nakagandahan dito. Open mo lang yung account. Yan. Then check natin guys, kakadating lang natin sa Cebu and meron tayong kinita in just 1 day. Ayan. So magkano? 6,500, di ba? So not bad na. 1 day income lang yan dito mismo sa online opportunity. Kung ikaw right na naghahanap ka, comment ka lang sa baba ng video na to and don't forget to like this video and share mo na din para marami tayong matulungan. So see you na in back. Dito na kami sa IEC Convention Center wherein mag-a-attend kami ng event. Ayan, so
Abangan nyo mamaya kung sino yung mananalo ng grand drop.
Look, ain't really much in the hood these days. I'm tryna get me paid. 10 racks can really do good these days. Keep my pack so late. This baddie wanna link and talk about dates. She don't know man's face. I know that my links back home wanna see man paid. And I know that's great. Cause I know I'm gonna keep it 100. Old damn summer, your guy can't flex like me, what a bummer. If your guy need work, he can come do run. I need a white S chain for my white S stunners. On a date with a bird, tryna cut some hummus, but I need a big whip, tryna flex that Hummer. Checks on my team, got split with my brother, got check on my dude, drop a check for my mother. You know we're all vintage, just gliding, tryna flip through notes, just doing my thing. I was out with a bro, he just sliding. He ain't never been driving, no license, but I'll being on the slide if we just vibing. I remember back then we were just skyping. Now I'm out OT with a crew flying. Baby girl told me, are you really riding? You know we're all vintage, just gliding, tryna flip through notes, just doing my thing. I was out with a bro, he just sliding. He ain't never been
Do you want to rise with us? Mga kapatid, months hindi yan enough. Ipaglaban mo yung pangarap mo. As long as ipaglaban mo yan, ipaglalaban din kita. Tanda. Ladies and gentlemen, hindi po aksidente na nandito ka. Hindi po aksidente. God brought you here. Why? Para ma-remind ka, it is time for you to rise. And I want you to shout as loud as my voice. I will rise.